In the late 19th century, a group of adventurous winemakers decided to start producing unique wines in a remote region of northern Spain. At that time, they didn't know they would be the founders of one of the top wine regions in our world, Rioja. They established themselves in the little town of Haro, all together surrounding what would become the key of their worldwide expansion, the train station. Now, more than 100 years later, the train from Ebro finally comes to New York. Rioja Railway Wine Experience. Masterclasses by the legendary master of wine, Pedro Ballesteros. And of course, the best pairings. Experience the birth of a centenary wine region. Discover the untold story of Rioja. Rioja Railway Wine Experience.